ASK Institute of Hotel Management, Bangalore offers job-oriented courses with innovation under equipped learning environments. All our courses are job-oriented, which helps you to get a job immediately.
We offer Diploma in Hotel Management, Diploma and Advanced Diploma in Culinary Arts and BSc in Hotel Management.
We offer 100% campus placement with average annual salary of ₹2 lakhs in Indian hotel chains.
Hi, I am Unnata. I'm a resident of Bangalore. I'm a student from ASK Institute of Hospitality Management and Culinary Arts. I'm pursuing my BSc in Hotel Management.
My name is ASKIHMCA. I'm from Bhutan. I'm doing a one-year diploma here in Culinary Arts in ASKIHM Bangalore.
For more details log on to www.studyask.com.